When you're living on a boat, there's two things that you don't want. Open flame when you're cooking, or cooking and heating up the boat while you're cooking or baking. So this is why I love this French door oven. It has 24 cooking functions, from air frying, toaster oven, regular oven. It comes with this tray, and it has 3 different places you can put the tray. It has the wire racks as well, and a drip tray underneath for easy cleaning. It's smaller than most ovens, so the temperature gets hotter faster. It also comes with these small trays and a separation, so you can put the separator in and have 2 different ovens cooking 2 different things at the same time on different temperatures. The piece just slides in to separate them, and again, you can put those on any level. It has the slats on the side that keep them straight, and there's functions on each side, so you can choose how you want to cook on each side. With the French doors, you can open up one side, the side that you're wanting to check on, when you're separating, cooking 2 different things on each side. It does put a little bit of heat out, but not as much as the oven does, so your boat does stay cool. Your space, your RV, wherever you have it, does stay a lot cooler when you're cooking or baking. You can make everything inside of it. Everything that you make in an oven, you can make in this cooker. It does heat up faster than a regular oven because it is smaller space, and so sometimes you need to adjust the temperature down a little bit, and the items will cook faster than they actually do in an oven. I highly recommend this French door oven combo if you are switching out your gas oven to electric on your boat, or if you don't have an oven at all in your galley, or you enjoy baking and cooking and you want to keep the boat cool. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.